Makoto Ajibokio.
Aya akozi makago na ndị obodo ya. Ndị Igbo bụ ndị fụlụ onwe fa n'anya ya, ndị na-enyere onwe fa aka.
Ifeji malimo, Ifeji malundimo, bimwa bimwane, ofobi, anija kasio, anija kasio, ofobi. PDP, the APC and the Kampuchana, so I got PDP. So he gets him. I'm saying, the Senator, Pascal, Maniga, what would you take over? Because gets aga. The same people. Yes, I'm not against saga. I'm not someone you got someone again. Okay, make I do. Oh, no, someone is really levels. Oh, let me know, tell me when you're married. Oh, let me know, let me get your beer. Behind every successful man, there must be a woman na bumbo. You got to go. We let her know when you're married. Tell me when you're married. We say, dear baby, James. Now listen. I'm gonna tell you my story now that happened at Bora Country Boy. They got a city, a lovely place. Go away, dry like to Willie's boy. I haven't got plenty money on me, but I was stranded in Port Harcourt, you know. But if I happen to enter in a pub and start backing to get some around me, they say they like me, they love me, they love me, they love my beautiful voice. Please sing God a song, only song can do. Please sing God a song, only song can do. Ladies and gentlemen, please. I went to recognize my beautiful sister here. She came all the way from Coventry. Dorothy, please put your hands together for her. You did well. Now listen to this, listen to this. I'm gonna tell you my story now. That's how I got you know. Now listen to this. I want to move you from Korea City to Ebo Buloko Diokemba. Baby mama inosike. Baby mama inosike. Ogadelege mma. Menene elo adifo manya. Ebubela miye. Menene elo adifo manya. Ebubela miye. Mama mwa. I'm only here for a business trip. I'm not here for a pleasure trip. Far as a cow. Far as a cow. You know it. Far as a cow. Can we do it together? Far as a cow. You know it. Say it. Let me hear your voice. I love that. Can you do that? Beautiful one. Sister, can you do that? You don't know. I had a landlady. When I was at Tenugu, she wanted me to be her boyfriend, but I said, Mama. So I cannot sing my song. I forget the solo. You got that good? So I go back here. Let's do it together. Far as a cow. Far as a cow, baby. Far as a cow. Far. Now listen. I had a landlady when I was at Tenugu. I had a landlady when I was at Tenugu. She wanted me to be her boyfriend, but I said, Mama, you too fat for little Willie. If you happen to see my landlady, I like my youth. What am I gonna do if I happen to befriend my landlady? What am I gonna say if I happen to befriend my landlady? She's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer, she's gonna suffer. And her legs 44, waist 44, chest 44. She's 44 years old. She felt like a Humpty Dumpty at my bedroom floor. Mama, far as a cow, yeah, far as a cow. Oh no, far as a cow. But when you're whenever, you're not here. Now listen to this. Mama boya, when you para he can never yell mo. Onya, when you Kora ya kabiko. Omo stage kemani hemereme, kemani hemereme. Omela libo. Ashi. Omele lochi. Omele lochi. Opana kwashi. For your information, how many of you? How can you result? Mana yana problem mama dot. So Adam can mix this. Mix Igbo. So I'm going Igbo. One for Biafra. And then one day, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the best congaris in the UK. James, you shouted in my people. Please put your hands together for the best congaris in the UK. Ice, fire. James lives in Birmingham. He lives here. But he travels all over the world with us. So please, you must be proud of him. A round of applause. Big one, big one. Big round of applause for James. James is shouting in my people. Ukurogala, Lebe Shabea. Izuchukwu, let's hear from you. We want to hear from Izuchukwu. The best drummer in town, Izuchukwu. He's the best drummer in the UK. Please, a round of applause for Izuchukwu. A round of applause for him. Izu, enough. Chinedu, let's hear from Chinedu. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Chinedu. Ewara mana makori makwana numbana kamo. Ewara mana makori makwana numbana kamo. As your Zoe went. Ewara mana makori makwana numbana kamo. Ewara mana makori makwana numbana kamo. Chile de vida huloso. Hey! Asa we wemo. When you Parimane go when you megalo. Oya bakuruma. Asa we wemo.
olabara shiri yelelo onye makwa na uche chukwu onye mara uche chukwu na yawuba wefọ ya Chineke na me olabara shiri yelelo onye makwa na uche chukwu onye mara uche chukwu na
ndị na-alụ sayensị na teknọlọji abatago obodo anyị indọstrị adịgo anyị na-alụzi nke anyị faktịrị adịgo anyị na-alụzi nke anyị bekee na-asa ka ifufe ndị be anyị na-alụba ka n'ime obodo ife ndị be anyị na-alụba anyị nwere nchekwube ife ya ife dị ahụ ga-achụ elu mmanụ ụfọdụ didiyo ife ga-adịmma n'ọnụ didiyo na so nnukwu mmanwụ na-efe oti mkpu ga-etili enwere nnukwu mmanwụ n'otu o nwere nnukwu mmanwụ n'otu nnukwu mmanwụ pụta obodo awara ọsọ oti mkpu na-eti yirigiri bụ igwe eze Thank you. Aka ekpuchi anyanwụ.